Welcome back, Remodelites. Dave with Remodeled Media, and today we're tackling a question I get all the time, which is, what's the difference between a cordless drill and an impact driver? Now, on the surface, these two tools might look alike, but I'm going to clear it up so you don't get screwed. For 20 years, I've been helping people put together kitchens, baths, outdoor kitchens, and various other home renovation projects. I'm on a mission to eliminate remodel regret, and I do that by bringing you the latest tips, tricks, and products for your home remodel. So if you're new here, follow along, we'll have some fun. And it's time for another Lowe's special value alert. And this one is sponsored. Lowe's liked what I was doing so much that they invited me to become a part of their Lowe's creator community. Looks like I'm among some good company too. Hey, what's up, Jimmy? But I still have full creative control. I can promote anything I want if I find that it's a good deal for you guys, which is what I was already doing. I'm not obligated to post anything if I don't want to. Because remember, what is it we say around here? Every product is right for somebody. And when I saw this deal, I knew exactly who it was for. This deal is for the young adults just getting started in life. Maybe you haven't built up your tool collection just yet. You have a few projects around your new place, or you just need a good deal on a cordless drill. Right now you can get a 24-volt drill, a 1/4-inch impact driver, a case, a battery, and a charger, which is normally $229, $100 off for $129. For reference, I got my 20-volt cordless drill that I have for around $79, just one tool. And this is two tools, a bag, a charger, and a battery. You could pick up a second battery and charger for $49. However, if you're young and new to tools and don't know the difference between a drill and an impact driver, let me give you a simple explanation. If all you're doing is putting together IKEA furniture, you're probably going to use something like a handheld screwdriver or an electric screw gun or electric screwdriver. This will prevent you from over-tightening any screws. However, if you're doing something a little more advanced, let's say you're building a planter box or building a doghouse or basically drilling into wood around the house, then you'll pull out your cordless drill. If you've ever used the drill, you'll see that it has these three teeth that open up and grab onto whatever bit you're using. And it's got a motor inside that just spins around that bit continuously. You also have some control over the torque and the speed. They have different settings that you can use for different things. Now let's say you're doing a job where you need some high torque. Maybe you're changing the tire on your car, you're sinking a lag bolt. You'll notice that the impact driver doesn't use teeth to grab the bit. There's a 1/4-inch hex bit holder where the bit fits perfectly. Save that 5 times fast. This holds a bit more securely because inside there's a little hammer called an anvil. Basically, it whacks the bit around to deliver those short, powerful bursts of torque. So there you have it. Cordless drill versus impact driver. Same family, different strengths. The drill is your go-to for precision holes and lighter fastening, while the impact driver makes driving screws into tough material a breeze. Hopefully, you'll never have to second guess which one to grab for your next project. If this helps you, hit the like button, drop a comment with your favorite tool tip, and don't forget to subscribe so you can eliminate remodel regret along with me. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.